back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss in the house, back with another super short video. If you're not already subscribed and have not joined this Tuber Nation, I encourage that you join us. Here is absolutely free. So as you can see, I have a fresh retie here and I'm super ecstatic about that. But today's video is not about a fresh retie. It's about this new product that I've been using in my hair, and it's not even necessarily a new product. I have done a super short review on this particular product that I want to kind of talk about today. I use this product on my loose natural hair, so I'm trying it for the first time in my locked hair, or my journey to locked hair. So as you guys can see, again, fresh retie, so my hair is looking really good. Today's video is all about the Wild Hair Growth Oil. I love this stuff. I love the top. I love the pointy top because it just makes it easier to apply product direct to your scalp. I love this product for a multitude of reasons. I saw results when I used this product in my loose natural hair. The only one drawback that I didn't like about this product is just the smell. It smells awful in my personal opinion, but it's not about the smell, it is the results. However, if smell is a big deal for you, then I suggest that you apply this in your hair and allow at least 24 hours for the scent to slowly disappear. So anyway, I'm going in and I'm applying it direct to my scalp. I like this product because it nourishes and conditions the scalp. This is also excellent for loose natural hair because it makes the detangling process a whole lot easier for you. So definitely consider this product for your loose natural hair if you don't have locked natural hair. Also, you guys, another reason that I'm using this product is because, as you can see here, which is a problem area for me in which I'm applying this product, I had to cut one of my locks super uber short because I made a mistake and interlocked it into another lock, and I didn't want that whole dragon type situation on the side of my head. So as you can see, I'm applying the product to the pads of my finger and I'm applying it to my hair. So yeah, that's it. Boom, boom, boom. So you guys, that completes this video. Continue enjoying the remainder of this video. Smooches!